Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison of Luma AI and Dall-E3. You see, as at 2026, Luma AI and Dall-E3 represent different ends of the generative AI spectrum. While Dall-E3 remains a premier tool for rapid instruction following static imagery, Luma AI has evolved into a powerhouse for cinematic video and 3D world building. Now, if you compare them, you look at their strengths. Luma AI has motion consistency using the Ray 3 model. It has cinematic control, where you can get advanced director tools such as precise camera maneuvers like orbit, crane, and pan, and ability to use start and end frames as keyframes for transitions. It also has 3D phototyping. Unlike Dell-E, Luma can generate 3D prototypes from concepts, allowing users to rotate and view a generated object from any angle. Dall-E3, on the other hand, has conversational editing because it integrates with chat GPT that allows for interactive natural language editing. You can just say, now add a red hat to the dog, and to do that. Next, it has text rendering. Text rendering remains the industry leader for embedding legible, accurately spelled text within generated images. This is reality. Now, lastly, Dall-E3 has safety and ethics. It features highly robust safety mitigations against generating public figures or harmful content, which is a standard for enterprise-grade image generation. So which should you use? Well, choose Luma AI if you're a filmmaker, game designer, or content creator needing lifelike video clips or 3D models for immersive projects. And choose Dall-E3 if you need marketing visuals, logos, or concept art that requires precise adherence to a very specific wordy description. Hope you found this video helpful.